Hey, today we're going to talk about how you can make money in crypto during these down times. A lot of people is real nervous right now and they don't know, but we're going to give you a strategy on how you can make money in crypto right now during the down times. We're also going to look into the charts and see where we're at right now and where we're headed. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy, Crypto Chuck, back here to Group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am. Hope you guys had a great weekend, man. And weekend was full of festivities, man, especially for me. Shout out to all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day. Out here doing your thing for the kids. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to all the fathers out there. Happy Juneteenth. Everybody celebrate Juneteenth over the weekend, and today is the official federal holiday for Juneteenth. That's why you see the stock markets and everything's closed, but we know it's not closed. Crypto is never closed, baby. 365, 24/7, 365, baby. So shout out to everybody out there right now that's still celebrating Juneteenth. Great holiday, man. I love it. I've been celebrating it for years. I didn't need anybody approval to celebrate it. I've been celebrating for years at different festivals, especially around the country. So shout out to everybody, that's still out there celebrating. So guys, man, today we're going to talk about how you actually make money in crypto during the down markets. A lot of people, they just discouraged right now at the moment. They're just nervous. But make sure you guys follow me on all different social medias at The Crypto Black, Instagram, TikTok, everything. And then you guys see right here on Twitter, man, the layup, man, right here. I gave my team the layup on Friday right after the market closed. You know what I mean? Where I say, hey, look, I told them right here. You know what I'm saying? I said, I'm looking for ETH to bust through 1085 right up to 1100. And the team, took the trade. And look what happened right after that. We bust through that 1085, pushed right up. And the team made a real good trade off of that right there, man. And it didn't, what it do? Pushed all the way back down. Crashed all the way down. And also a lot of things you got to understand is also you have got to give your trade some time to breathe, guys. A lot of people have this short, real small window on their stop losses. Don't get a trade any time to breathe. So they get in. They had their stop loss probably right down here somewhere. And then what happens? You get stopped out, long wick, come down here, and then it pushes right back up, and then you miss out on that trade. The worst thing about losing, I've been there before, guys. The worst thing is, man, get stopped out, then it pushes right up. It's the worst thing ever. So, guys, make sure you follow me on Twitter, and if you guys do want to get our trading group, make sure you reach out to me in the comments, or you guys see the description below. You guys can click on a trading group, DCG, and you can also visit our website, cryptoblack.net, as well if you want to take a beginner's course. But, man, let's get into it today, man. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is at 20,420, 415,000. It's dropping. Oh, no. 20,400. Right now at the moment, guys, Bitcoin has got to, right now with Bitcoin, we've seen a push up over the weekend. I call it the Juneteenth push up. I call it the Father's Day push up. I call it the Spirit of Ogun push up. You know what I'm saying? Over the weekend, we've seen a push up of Bitcoin. I like to buy the dips. I know a lot of people are nervous, but if it's something is an asset that you are looking to say, you know what? Hey, something I'm gonna have for the long term. Do I think, me personally, I'm not telling you what to do. I think dollar cost averaging is great. Me personally, I think Bitcoin is going to be $1 million one day. I believe Bitcoin going to reach 100,000 within the next couple of years. And then 2024, 2025, it's going to be crazy. You know what I mean? So do I care if I buy Bitcoin? I'm not looking for the perfect bottoms. I'm not looking for the perfect tops. I'm looking to get into an asset that I think is going to be big going to grow eventually, right? And also, same thing with Ethereum. Do I think Ethereum is going to be, $10,000 one day? Absolutely, I believe it. And so getting Ethereum money for $1,000 is a no-brainer for me. So, but everybody had their own plans, you know what I mean? Because guess what happened when Ethereum goes to $1,100 and everybody said, "Oh man, when you could have got it at 900." There you go. That's the problem. A lot of people, they buy low, they buy high and sell low. Right now we see Bitcoin under below negative 22.4% for the week, guys. But Bitcoin, man, looks like Bitcoin is starting to reach a little bottom, as you guys can see right here. That 17,494. I think Bitcoin have got to, and about 17.5. I'm telling you right now, I think it could be a nice little strong support, should I say, real strong support. Had a lot of high volume here. It was at 17.5 2 days in a row. And I think Bitcoin have to get to about like 21,000, and then we can see if we can close about 21,000. It's for like a push up, and then after that, if Bitcoin then the next stop is going to be at the 21,000, close above it. The next stop you're looking at about 23. All right, we get about 23, then we can keep pushing up. But we need the news, needs them things, to calm down a little bit. But the Fed is still out there. Talking about tightening, quantitative tightening. They're trying to tackle inflation as well. But man, let's get to it right here, guys. So, anybody that's accumulating Bitcoin, Ethereum right now, the time it's the best time to accumulate, guys. With ETH, we did see what ETH did. ETH did drop to 886. So shout out to everybody that did buy the dip down there, 886. Ethereum is over 1,100 right now. So if you did buy Ethereum down there, the guys, you're up almost 30% on the trade. That's what I'm saying. People don't understand, if it's an asset you really like, boom, 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 you're buying it up. All right. So a lot of people want to know, man, how you can make money during a down market. The easiest way, and when I first got into crypto, I learned about this relatively very easy. And I see a lot of people make a lot of money off of it. You can make money during down markets like this is arbitrage, because it's trade still being made. People are still trading, exchanges still working, right? So it's how arbitragers are making money in the crypto crash. So there are a few different strategies helping traders eke out profits during a downturn, from straightforward to atomic arbitrage. Says it can seem a bit morbid to talk about making money in a downturn that's seen Bitcoin and Ethereum struggle to maintain prices above 20K and 1,000 respectively. As of Monday morning, the global cryptocurrency market cap was $904 billion, a huge fall from $3 trillion in November. And said the fact remains there are strategies for making money during the crypto crash, and arbitrage traders are employing them. So it says it's usually apt to describe arbitrage as a simultaneous buying and selling of an asset to profit from a tiny price discrepancy across markets. With those differences are tiny speed rules, all arbitrageurs use algorithms to find opportunities and bots to exploit them before the gap closes. I'm going to show you guys how to do it a little bit later. So it's the core to high frequency trading firms like Citadel Securities and Tower Research Capital. But you don't have to be a quant to make money with an arbitrage strategy right now. President and CEO of Fluid Finance said during a conversation, he shared his screens and showed that across several decentralized and centralized crypto exchanges, the delta or difference of prices for Bitcoin, hands down the most liquid cryptocurrency, was $45. That means someone could have bought $45 worth of Bitcoin on one exchange and double their money by selling it for $90 on another. So it says, I have friends who frankly are not very clever, making tons of money from very, very simple strategies like that. Ismail said, these are people who have 2 years trading experience. And it says Fluid Finance, a liquidity aggregator using AI to anticipate price fluctuations across centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, and decentralized exchanges or DEXs like Uniswap and Curve. Then Fluid sells assets to users like Bitcoin for the best price and take care of settlement with the exchange. Now I said we're kind of the enemy of arbitrage traders in that we use the same strategies as them to predict the market using hyperscale learning and quant-based strategies. And they use to predict the market and to give clients the best possible execution. Let's see another example. Say a lot of arbitrage can be executed completely on chain too. For example, Pellicure said finding an on-chain triangular arbitrage opportunity could look something like this. A trader notices that they can buy one wrapped Ethereum for 1,400 DAI on SushiSwap, and the wrapped ETH, a version of Ethereum, can be used on blockchains, can then be sold on Uniswap for 1,500 USDC. So from one stablecoin to another, the two different stablecoins, it's all about the pairs. I keep telling people a lot. It's about the pairs as well. All right. So having DAI, we could buy ETH at 1,400 on SushiSwap and sell it for 1,500 in Uniswap, gaining $100. He said. Now, in a turbulent market, it helps that the last trade in that strategy will be stablecoin. It reduces the chance that the trader will be left holding the asset that's going to drop in price before they can realize a gain. Now, here by flash loans, this is an even more sophisticated version. Arbitrage involves flash loans. You can virtually create value out of thin air with atomic arbitrage. He said you don't have to have any sort of capital or take risk by holding a huge bankroll. You start off with the flash loan, buy an asset, sell it at a higher price, and repay the loan all in one transaction. Your profits is whatever left over. So you're not even using your own money, guy. You're borrowing against your own crypto to do those, get those loans. Come and look at an arbitrage opportunity, sell it back, and then get your asset back. Pay that loan off. Get your asset back, and then you walk away with the difference. Very, very, very easy. You're not even using your own money. All you're doing, put collateral. Your crypto is your collateral, and you do that trade real quick, though. All right. So it's what atomic arbitrage lacks in the number of people who know how to do it, it makes up for with competition among those that do understand it. That's part of the reason why Eden Network exists. The protocol allows traders to guarantee placement of the transaction in a particular block on the Ethereum network. So anybody can crunch numbers, so blah, 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 blah. So yeah, guys, that's a really good way, easy way to make money. We did it a lot in the last bull run. I think that's how Sam Bankman-Fried, the creator of FTX, I think that's how he made a lot, how he made pretty much his riches doing arbitrage trading. So for example, guys, we come over here like the Ape coin, right? Ape coin is doing good today. Shout out to everybody that long on Ape coin. We gave alerts on Ape coin a lot. So I think people need to really understand. If you are in a group, then you get those Ape coin alerts. If you aren't in a group, you want to get them Ape coin alerts. And different alerts out there. We got alerts on a lot of things. Then make sure you reach out to me, guys, and get you all set up. So as you guys can see right here, Ape. You come out over here to market. You go looking for your coin, like CoinMarketCap, look for your coin, whatever coin you're looking for, and click on the markets tab. You click on the markets tab, you start looking for the prices, right? You start looking for the lowest price. So we see it right around 471, 472, 470. Then we're looking at Ape. We scroll down. And then what we're doing, we're looking for opportunity here. So boom, Bitstamp. We see Bitstamp. We trading Ape against USD. It's $4.51 high. Got good liquidity, good liquidity here as well on Bitstamp. High. That means it's a good it's not something where it's really, really risky. So real high probable chance, or it's gonna be a good trade. You don't worry about it. So we have 451, and then we can come right over here and you can see on Bittrex you selling for 480. You can buy Ape for USD over here. And then for 451, you can right over Bittrex yourself for 480. You can come right over here on where we at here. And a lot of people like to trade on KuCoin and everything like that. So KuCoin 470. So guys, you're looking at right here, you can come right over 472. You look for the highest one, 473 on Bybit. You come right over here, guys, and then you can just pretty much just trade it. You can buy one for 450, 451. Where we at? 451 on Bitstamp. And turn right around and sell it on Bybit for 473. All right. Same as that coin, Gemini for 472. So you guys see the same as that coin, but what we're doing with buying on one, selling on another. And then you can do it like that. You can create the flash loans, or you can buy, just buy a whole bunch of it, and then you turn around and then sell it on another. Arbitrage trading, baby. I mean, we made a lot of money doing it. You can do this doing the down market as well, guys. Coin is still being traded. So all you got to do is take advantage of opportunities and say, okay, cool. It's low on one, I'll sell on the other. Same as that coin. All right. So guys, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I just want to come in here real quick and show you guys how to do that. I'm going to be out and about this Wednesday. So I might do a live while I'm out and about, NFT NYC, baby. So, so I'm gonna be in the city, baby. So shout out to everybody out there. Hit me up if you're out in the city, if you're in the conference or whatever. The after party is gonna be crazy. So you know, hit me up. You guys gonna be out there. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. You got Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.